Hello guys. This is a trades. Today we're gonna have a really quick one. Basically, we're just looking at the weekly time frame. This is the weekly time frame. So these lines that you see here, these are on a daily. So if I look up on the daily, so basically we are bullish for the whole week. We are bullish, but before that bullishness, we need to see the market come down first before it goes higher. So what we're looking for basically is the market to go lower only to go higher. Basically, that's what we're looking for. That's what we're looking for. Let's delete that and go to the daily so that we can see clearly. So this is the daily time frame. Let's do this. Oops. Let's delete that. Okay. Say here on the daily, we can see that the market is coming to this. Favor look gap here. For now, it will act as a bearish fair value gap because we just took out this high and this high. So we just took out those highs there. So what are we looking for now? Basically, now what we're looking for in such a case, you're gonna take your fib, put it there, put it right there, then put it down. There we go. Let me do this so that we can see clearly. There we go. So the fib is there. So now we're looking for the market to come 50%, below 50%, which is this line here. So basically, we'd like to see something like that and then go up. Yes, we like to see something like this. And then don't think this is too large. It could happen of a range, could happen in one day like this. Could be just a 1 day layering here. 1 day and the second day the market goes in there and just turns. So it could be 2 days going down or just 1 day if the range is really animated like this one here. So it could be like 1 day doing just this for only for the marketplace to go, for the market to go higher. We're just gonna look for that. So while it's coming below here, could come there. We also have this small fair value gap right here, and also have this new week for 25 November. This is the new week high here, new week open gap high. So, but we're not thinking that it could keep this just open and just do this. So we are bullish for the rest of the week. But for 2 days, which is for tomorrow and Wednesday, there's a high possibility that it could go down like this, only to go higher on Thursday, reverse there. Because that's, the characteristics of Thursday, reverse and go higher, and really go higher. And what's backing up all of this is the fact that when you go to, let's open, this is the government bonds. When opening up the government bonds, that's nice. Let's go on the weekly here and the government bonds. So on the weekly chart, we see this suspension block here. It's made up of this candle here. It has a volume imbalance. Let's zoom in. There's a volume imbalance there, another one there, and there's another one there. So technically the suspension block will be that big. And then we're gonna put it there. But if it was a single candlestick, it was gonna be something like this. But now there's another one here. So we're just gonna put it right there, like that. Yes. We also have this other block here, very shorter block there. But looking at this, you can see that it can go a bit higher like there, and go down. So let's go in there and see another one. We're gonna see the logic. This is another one. Let's go to another one so the logic becomes more clear. So we have this, if we look at from this low to that one. Okay, let's go to another one. There's another one that's ready. So even here, you can see that the marketplace is likely to break this high and go into this area here because a fair value gap only with wicks. So it needs bodies. So there's a high probability that it's going to go higher and give us bodies in there. And while it's going higher, the Nasdaq will be going lower. And thank you guys. The social trades. Trade carefully with caution. Just know what you're doing and you're good. You're good to go. You're good to go. Let's go. Okay. Have that one there. Let's go on the white 80. Okay, let's go on the daily time frame. So to conclude this, we're gonna do this. Let's do this. We have a range. You could just mark there to there. You see, now you're in premium, above 50% in premium, but you can go a little deeper, coming into, let's zoom in and see. You can come into this area here. Let's mark it up. Okay, there we go. This also should be blue, but I'm gonna make it white so that we can see clearly there. There we go. That's a suspension block. So the marketplace is likely to pull into the suspension block right here. Yeah, it's likely to do that. So we're gonna wait and see. While it's going higher into this, anticipate the Nasdaq going lower. Anticipate it going lower. Where is it? There we go. Then we're gonna anticipate this on the Nasdaq and go higher. Thank you guys. These social trades, trade carefully.